Guys, it's a little bit unusual location. Make sure to stay until the end. We'll explain how you can get to it easily. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, there will be a super quick video for any of you trying to find where the fuel pump control module is located on BMW 5 Series generation F10 F11. That's the 5 Series from year 2010 to year 2017. F11 is the station wagon, F10 is the sedan. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find it, guys. Also, if you need help with replacing fuel pumps, high pressure fuel pumps, we'll have videos on our YouTube channel that will teach you guys how to do that step by step. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. We take almost every car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos on it. We work on transmissions, engines, fuses, relays, codes, almost anything you can think of. And if you guys need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So, the fuel pump control module. Now, on many vehicles back in the day, there used to be guys, okay, under the seat, the back seat, because that's where the main fuel pump is located, so you can access it in the fuel tank, or on the side of the seat, in the seat pillar right here. Now, this one is a different story. It's a little bit unusual location. The fuel pump control module, guys, you need to go ahead and open the trunk. Once you open the trunk, I want to show you here, guys. Okay, check this thing out. We removed here, okay, the storage bin that we have underneath. You can see that's the storage bin. It's easy to remove. We have video on the channel. You just leave the carpet liner up. Here you have two nuts. Those nuts are, okay, right here. They're attached to these bolts. And once you guys do that, okay, you see that's your car battery. You're going to get to it. And you get next to the car battery. That's on the passenger side of the vehicle. Okay, if you look right here, that device right here, that's your fuel pump control module, guys. That's what you will guys need to check, okay? That's your fuel pump control module. If you have problems with the fuel pump, okay, and you check fuses, the pre-fuses, we have special video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location for the fuel pump. You may have fuses in 3 different fuse boxes, check it out, but that's the location of the module that you need to check. So guys, if you have a BMW, guys, we have multiple videos on our YouTube channels. We have videos how to replace timing chains. Some of those, as you know, the N20 engine is prone to that. They fail as early as 70,000 miles on hours. We have videos how to rebuild engines, how to service transmission, fix engine codes, all that stuff, guys. We take them completely apart, replace brakes, all that stuff. In addition, guys, we'll be making videos about every single fuse, every single relay on that BMW as well. And not just it, guys, we work on other cars, so if you have a question, just drop a comment in the comment section below. If you need help with any specific vehicle, we'll try to get it on our list and we'll try to make that video. And on our YouTube channels, we have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. If you need to buy replacement parts, tools for your car at a really good price, that way do not waste money and time, we'll share the information in the video below, guys. Check it out in the description of the video for your convenience. Thank you for watching. See you next time.